I know I promised you all that I would drop a video this week, but I wasn't feeling it and I did not want to break my promise. So, guys, assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Do you guys see the effects of the flood? Like, I was just passing this street opposite College of Agric, and then I decided to film to show you guys the effect of the flood. The flood really affected a lot of areas. Some people are trying to just build up, and some people are still struggling. But alhamdulillah, some of the people are getting help from different places, the government and some organizations, which is very good. So I came to visit my cousins and almost did not understand the place anymore. This place was so like the road was flat months ago, and it was not like this. Like, you can see, if you're not careful in the night, or if you're not using like a flashlight or a torchlight, you can fall into one of these holes. Like, I did not understand. And like this, they told me they fixed some of this stuff, and here I came to the house. I was even surprised because I know that their house is fenced, but now everything is just so open, and I did not understand. But then I just stopped filming. Here is the continuation of how I made the turarenwuta from the last video. I am sorry, guys, I did not start filming when I made the first step, because I did not even, I forgot I was supposed to film it actually, and I had little to no help. Like, I just had one person helping me, and the person helping me to film was helping me grind some of the powder, so it was a lot of work, and I did not want to and the pot I was using to make this Turan water is a pot that needs me to hold it. If not, it's going to fall. Yes, so it was so difficult to film. I just had to tell my friend to stop grinding the powders and just help me film, and it was already late. I could not even wait for her, because if I waited for her, my caramel will burn and it will not give us the result we're looking for. So here you guys will see I have already mixed everything, and here is how I just keep on stirring to get the white finishing on the turarenwuta. So this turarenwuta step is so hard, and a lot of vendors skip it, but then this is something that my customers love, and I wanted to do a sales or like a promo or like a discount for my customers during my birthday, but I did not have the chance to do that because I was so busy. And you all know education is first, education is number one. My school is my top priority now. Like, I just want to graduate, pass my exams, pass my tests, and then I know that after that I have the whole time to myself to make amazing videos for my loves. So here is the tarota, and if you guys can remember, the woods I use is wood al amphir, which is called sandal bangi. It is a scented wood, it has amazing scent. So this is me adding my musk crystals. This is the an ingredient used in making trial water, and it is a very important ingredient in trial water making. Then this is me here adding more musk crystals, because you can never go wrong with more musk crystals in your trial water. So like I said, I wanted to do a promo, but then I did not have the chance to do it, so I just made some of the turarenwuta so that after my graduation I can just do like a promo before the year runs out, or maybe at the beginning of new year. So the second powder I added is my lupan, and my lupan, I grinded my lupan into fine powder, and I used the top grade lupan. So after that I mix everything quickly so that it will just give me the perfect result I was looking for. And you guys can see I did not make a lot, because I did not want to deal with like making a huge part of trial water, because I told you guys that I had little to no help. So this is a mixture of my two traditional oil perfumes that I will be using to create my trial water. This trial water, I created this trial water a long time ago, but then I made it for myself, and I taught my students in my trial water class how to make it. So Earlier last year, I think earlier this year, some of my customers requested I make this turarenwuta for them, and ever since people have been coming back to get this turarenwuta. The turarenwuta, if you guys notice, is not even made like with the top most popular woods we use, but then it gives an amazing scent when we make it, and it has a like, it just is giving the woody Khaliji Arabian scent. And then in making the sharawuta, I use a little, like I do not use like so much oils like the halut, the hawi. I use the highest amount of oils I use in this sharawuta is 4, while other water I use up to like 6 to 8 different types of oil, and then I do it step by step. But this one I do it just 2 times, because if you want to maintain the whiteness, the white color, the white shiny color of this water, then you need to just be like, you need to master this dry water method. That's why when I am soaking the dry water, I soak it with oil and just a little cologne. The work of the cologne in the soaking is just to help soften and help to mix the oil very well. So, and then I think this is the last oil I use. So if you guys notice, I use al-anud, then I use an almaz oil, and then this is my surati blend oil, or an udi surati blend oil. Yes, and then after that I mix everything together. So, and then after soaking the trial water, before frying the trial water, you guys notice that I added my oil perfume, which I used to soak the trial water. So that's the first oil, and then the al anud and the traditional oil, that's making 3, and then the um the fourth oil is the Surati mixed blend oil perfume. And then this dry water does not need oils to be sinking or like slipping around. It just need good quality strong oil perfumes, which will help the dry water blend so well and help the woods and the powders combine so well to give you that amazing scent. I mean, camera is not doing justice to the trial water, because I think the position we made this video is not the perfect position. But then, guys, this is the trial water. This is how your perfect woody trial water should look like. Your trial water should not be filled with a lot of sugar, because it will end up smelling smoky and sugary, if that's even a word. But then this is how the shawarma should look like, and it should have like enough musk crystals, enough frankincense, just enough and the right blend to make the shawarma smell so amazing. So if you have any question, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and I will see you guys in my next one. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Just let me know what kind of video you love to see next, and I will do well to create the video for you. So thank you so much, my little Shermin, for making this little video for me. She was so shy. She did not want to look at the camera. Yeah, no, she told me later on that like it was the sun was too much for her, and then she guys just listen to cute Shermin.
White wood.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Why are you not looking at the camera? Are you shy?
Yes.
Give me 5.